onions. They are tasty, savory, but not so pleasant to prepare. The teary eyes of anger, the burning that makes you regret, and stinging to remind you the inevitable. There's no escape! Forget all of that, because today we're introducing BraveCut, the world's first onion tear preventer device. Just put BraveCut near your cutting board, press the power button, and say goodbye to tears for good. BraveCut successfully filters the compound that makes you cry, so you can focus on cutting, not crying. BraveCut's specifically designed for the kitchen. Water spills are no problem at all, since BraveCut's splash-proof against water. Also, BraveCut's wireless with up to 3 hours of battery life. That's equal to cutting 2 onions for 30 days. Impressive, right? Just charge the device with a USB-C cable and you're good to go for a month. With BraveCut, you can say goodbye to tears and cut onions peacefully. BraveCut, the world's first onion tear preventer device. Now available on Kickstarter.